2025 Mercedes is finally here, and it's turning heads with its sleek design, advanced technology, and a bold step into the future of luxury driving. Mercedes-Benz has always been known for combining performance and elegance, but this time, they've raised the bar even higher. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 model, the styling makes a statement. Sharper lines, a more aerodynamic silhouette, and a redesigned grille give it a futuristic yet classic Mercedes look. The LED light signature is more expressive than ever, wrapping around the front and rear with a bold and modern touch. It's not just about looking good, it's about standing out. Under the hood, Mercedes is offering a range of powertrains, from refined internal combustion engines to new generation plug-in hybrids and all-electric variants. For those going green, the EQ lineup continues to expand, offering impressive range, faster charging, and a smooth yet silent ride that feels effortlessly powerful. The AMG versions are also getting an update, bringing sportier performance without sacrificing comfort or sophistication. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like the cockpit of a luxury spaceship. The MBUX infotainment system has been upgraded again, now more intuitive, faster, and more connected than ever. The massive curved display stretches from the driver's side to the center console, seamlessly integrating navigation, media, and vehicle controls. Comfort has always been a Mercedes strength, and the 2025 version takes it even further. New ambient lighting options, enhanced climate control, and next-gen seats with massage and memory features create a space that adapts to your mood and preferences. Whether you're driving or being chauffeured, the experience is all about luxury. In terms of safety and driver assistance, Mercedes continues to lead the way. The new model includes the latest version of Drive Pilot, the brand's semi-autonomous driving system, which now supports hands-free driving under more conditions. Parking assistance, lane keeping, and real-time traffic prediction have all been fine-tuned to make your daily commute easier and safer. Another standout feature is the integration of AI. Your car learns your habits, preferences, and even your favorite routes. It can adjust settings based on time of day, suggest destinations, or even remind you if you forget something based on your usual routine. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes isn't just another car, it's a statement. A combination of design, performance, and smart technology that redefines what we expect from a luxury vehicle. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the brand, this model is worth checking out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upcoming car update.